Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? I'm here with an unboxing. I probably know what this is. I ordered some jackets well over a month ago. Guessing it was late March, so I got it just a couple of days ago. But I wanted to wait for it and open it up. Going to be a one-handed one. Open. Gonna put this right here. Sorry dudes, gonna need 2 hands for this. There we go. First one is this jacket. This one's probably going to be an amazing summer jacket. Looks pretty cool. It actually feels kind of good as well. But then again, after I ordered it, I heard that they were some bad quality, so there's a possibility that it is. So I'm gonna go and get the other ones. So here's another winter jacket, which is kind of late now since it's spring. So, uh, well, might need that one for later on. I will probably at least try it out and see if it fits. Here I have a leather jacket. Looks pretty big for me. So I bought it in XL. So I think it might be too big for me. I will actually try them on later on. So I hope you liked the video, like and subscribe, and if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.